CBSE has issued a circular number 43 on 28th March 2022 and the subject is YUVIKA. Hi, this is Gajanan. Let's discuss about this circular. The subject of this circular is YUVIKA. YUva VIgyani KAryakram, that is Young Scientist Program. This program is basically launched by CBSE to create the awareness about the emerging trend in science and technology amongst youngsters, encouraging more students to pursue in science, technology, engineering and mathematics based research as well as career. This is a residential program of about 2 weeks, that is from 16 to 28 May 2022, and the program aims to select 150 students across the country studying in class 9. This program has been launched at 5 centers of ISRO at Tiruvananthapuram, Bengaluru, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, and Shillong. The students will be taken to visit Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota at the end of the project. No worry to bother about the expenditure as boarding, lodging of the students as well as the course material will be borne by ISRO. This project included visited talks, experience sharing by eminent scientists, experimental demonstration, lab visits, discussion with experts, practical and feedback session. Now you must be thinking that how you will be selected for this project, right? So there is a criteria for the project. The selection will be on the basis of marks obtained in class 8 examination as well as participation in science fair in the school, district, state level, and it is organized by school, district, state as well as central level authorities. Prize in Olympiad or science competitions and equivalent programs. Winner of the sports competitions conducted by school as well as government institutions, etc. Member of Scout and Guides, NCC, NSS in last 3 years, as well as performance in online quizzes. Along this selection criteria, you have to keep in mind that the winners of online games will not be considered, but very important, special weightage to the students studying in schools located in panchayat area, means the rural area, will be provided. Now when, where and how to register, right? So you have to register for this program at ISRO web portal. The registration has already started on 10th March 2022 from 10:30 a.m. and it will close on 10th April 2022 4 p.m. The registration process includes total 4 steps. The first step is email registration for YUVIKA 2022. In the second step, the participants should read the quiz instructions appear in the online quiz within 24 hours of email registration of YUVIKA. In the third step, the participants should log in to YUVIKA within 60 minutes from quiz submission and fill the information correctly, as well as submit the online application and download the submitted form. The last step is to upload the signed copy and all the required certificates before the last date of registration, that is 10 April 2022 at 4 p.m. Now wait till 20 April 2022 for the announcement of provisional selection list.